Hello everyone, welcome to the main task channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an email alert in Salesforce. Email alerts are a simple but powerful way to automatically notify users when something important happens, like a new record being created or a status being updated. In this video, we'll cover what an email alert is, how to create one, and how to use it in flows. Let's get started. First, go to Setup, and in the search bar, type Email Alert. Click on it, confirm, and click New Email Alert. Type the name of the email alert, and this also populates the unique name field. And select the object that the email alert is gonna be related to. In my case, it's a contact. Then select the email template that you created before. So I have prepared the welcome email template, and then the recipient of the email alert. In my case, it's going to be the contact itself. So it's going to be the email field on the contact record, and I will leave that the email will be sent from the user who created this new contact, and save. Now the email alert was created, and to be able to use it, we need to create a flow that will trigger this email alert. I will navigate to flows, and I will click new flow. This opens the flow builder in a new window, and I will create a record trigger flow because I want the flow to run when a new contact is created. So I will select the contact object, and a record is created. That's correct. I don't want to introduce any conditions to keep it simple. And then I will add a new element, and this is gonna be the send email alert action. This is the only one I have in my org, so that's the only one available. I will click it, and the name of this element will be send welcome email, and the record ID will be the triggering contacts ID. So that's it. Now I just need to save this flow, and I will just call it welcome email alert and save. Now I will activate it, and I will create a new contact to test it. So I'll type contacts, add a new. I will just populate the necessary fields to receive the email alert, which is the last name and the email address, and save. Now this new contact was created, and let's see if I have received the email. So I will open my inbox, and I can see that the email has arrived, and it contains the text of the email template. So that's how you create and use an email alert in Salesforce. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.